watching over your baby? Mama's got 4 beautiful girls so far. She takes good care of them. We got them laying on a heating pad right now. Y'all got some colostrum. Powder's had a few more labor, or a few more contractions here, so we're waiting for the next one. She's having a contraction now. Oh, it's okay, good girl. She still keeps caring for her babies. Amazing, Dance. It's okay, Mama. Yes. So you get closer to my baby. It's okay, honey. Maybe we can see one being born. Let's see. Go on, get on up. Good girl. There you go, Mama. There you go. Good girl. Good girl, Mama. Good girl. Easy does it. Easy does. Go ahead. Push. Push, Mama. Push, Mama. Push, Mama. Push. Good girl, Powder. Good girl. Good girl. It's okay. It's okay. Go ahead. Oh. Go ahead. You're a girl. Oh, I know. You're in pain. It hurts. Go ahead. Push. 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 Push, Mama. Push. Push. That's it. Good girl. We're right here for you. Good girl, Mama. Push. Push. Come on. Push. Good girl. I know. I know. Yes, you're a good mama. Push. Push. Go ahead. You see? No? It's okay. Alright. Good girl. I'll keep filming in hopes that we watch one be born. Here it comes, I think. No, not yet. You're hot, aren't you? I know. Have a powerful contraction. Hopefully we'll catch one being born, huh, Mom? I'll stay back. Good girl, Mama. You're a good girl. Yes. I know. Your babies are fine. Your babies are fine, Powder. They're warm on the heating pad with a heating light. Yes. 4 down, yeah, 5 to go. You can see when she's having contractions every minute. Still attentive to her beautiful baby. Yes. Yes, a good girl. It's okay, Mom. May I put that one back on the thing? Can you help? May I help? Here. It's okay. Right there. Yep, it's right there. Good girl, baby girl. Beautiful. She's such a good girl. We'll say bye for now. We'll click on if I see a baby being born. Maybe we'll catch it on film. Bye for now.